Hello everyone! Connie Rosario here. It's merienda time. So try natin tong Ramat Calicut kung anong meron ditong merienda, okay? Hello! What do you have? What kind of food you have? See guys, ayan. This is their food. Hi, good afternoon. Magmimerienda tayo guys. Time for merienda. So, check natin kung anong meron dito mga merienda dito. So, it's an Indian restaurant, okay? Indian restaurant. So, ang daming pagpipilian. Oh, guys, see? So, what is this one? What is this?
Chicken roll.
Chicken roll. This one? Samosa. This one? Vegetable.
Egg.
Egg samosa. This one? Vegetable, ha? Chicken samosa, chicken roll, vegetable, chicken,
Cutlet.
and then
Chicken cutlet.
this one. What is this?
Chicken cutlet.
Chicken
Cutlet.
cutlet? What is that? Chicken cutlet. Okay, this one? This one?
Veggie
Barracuda. Okay, this one, the one in the leaf. See guys, there's one in the leaf. Nakabalot siya sa leaf. Ano to? What is this one? Give me one. Give me one. This one. Yes. Ayan. No, give me one. I will see. No, only with one. What is the name? Ada. This one Ada. They called it Ada. What is Ada? You know what is Ada? This is made from what? This is made from what?
Same.
Huh?
Sweet.
Made from what? This one? You know? What is this?
Same.
Semia. Like rice? Rice? Huh? Kerala. Okay, it's from Kerala. Okay, this is from Kerala, ha? This is rice. Rice and then, is this sweet or what? Sweet? Sweet, ha? What's the name again? Ada. Semia Ada, okay? Try natin guys to, ha? It's called Ada. Semia Ada from Kerala, okay? So, para siyang, ano tawag dito? Para siyang kanin. Parang sa Pilipinas, para siyang tamales, something like that. Okay? So, I don't know anong mga ingredients nito. Parang meron ding pasas, oh. Parang nakakita ko ng pasas. And then, parang may mga noodles din, oh. May parang noodles din siya na nakalagay sa may, ibabaw. So, try nga natin tong Ada na to. So, it's Kerala food, okay? Try natin, guys. Ay, masarap naman. In fairness, maharap siya. Matamis. It's sweet. Ay, para siyang rice na may coconut, you know? Para siyang rice with grind coconut and some, ano tawag dito? Pasas. And some noodles also. O, di ba? Masarap naman siya, in fairness. Okay siya. Gusto ko siya. Parang siyang suman sa atin. Parang suman sa Pilipinas. Sarap siya. Lasang-lasa yung coconut. Masarap ng coconut. Promise. How much this one? Huh? How much? Kinain ko na. Hindi ko pa tinanong kung magkano. Pero masarap siya, ha? Promise. Try nyo siya guys, dito lang siya sa Ramat Calicut. Sa Hamdan. In Hamdan, Abu Dhabi. Oh guys, so see? How much this one? 3? 3 dirhams. It's 3 dirhams. Pwede na. Okay na. Kasi mauubos ko na. Masarap siya, promise. I love it. See? May pasas. May pasas din siya. O, di ba? For 3 dirhams, meron ka ng merienda dito lang sa UAE, di ba? Ito ang gusto ko sa UAE eh. Kumbaga, mura lang pero makaka-afford ka na ng merienda, di ba? You have chai? Chai? Okay, one chai. Ha? Yeah, chai. So ayan, nag-order din tayo ng chai. Siyempre, alam mo na dito, yun talaga yung kanilang pambansang drink, ang chai. Alam niyo yung chai, yun yung tea na may milk. Ubus ko na, oh. Naubos ko na, masarap. Masarap yung ada nila, ada, from Kerala, India. Promise guys, masarap. Love it. This is
Fresh milk chai.
fresh milk chai. How much?
2 dirham.
2 dirhams. Fresh milk chai, 2 dirhams. Okay? So, fresh milk chai, 2 dirhams and ada, 3 dirhams. So, for 5 dirhams, may merienda na tayo. Dito lang yan sa UAE, di ba? Murang-mura lang magmerienda dito sa UAE. For 5 dirhams, magbubusog ka na. See? Ayan ang init ng chai nila, guys. Grabe. Sarap din, ha? Ang sarap nila timpla ng chai, promise. Ano kayang sikreto nila, di ba? Perfect talaga yung timpla nila ng chai. As in, mapapa-chai-chai ka talaga, guys. Ang bula, oh. Siguro talaga minimix nilang mabuti, no? Para talaga yung lasa niya talaga makuha talaga, di ba? So, last bite. Sarap. I like the ada. I like this ada, guys. Finish. Solve. Solve na ang merienda natin today for 5 dirhams. Sarap. Okay, guys. That's all for today. Okay, guys. That's all for today. Bye, everyone.